Hi guys, here is the honest review of AI Graphics Factory. SDXL 1.0 powered in just one click. Turn simple words into mesmerizing, attention-grabbing, realistic graphics that sell instantly, with no graphic skills, tools, or budget. Latest and most advanced text-to-image model. Create unlimited text-to-image graphics, illustrations, photos for your blogs, websites, ads, social media and more. Limited time commercial license included. Price goes back to monthly recurring soon. Turn simple words into mesmerizing, attention-grabbing, realistic graphics that sell instantly in one click. Create unlimited text-to-image graphics, illustrations, photos for your blogs, websites, ads, social media and more, powered by latest and most advanced model SDXL 1.0. Get the first mover advantage and dominate your market while others are still using old, outdated tools and resources. Stand out from your competitors and skyrocket your reach, engagement, traffic and sales. Save thousands of dollars on costly memberships, freelancers, and outsourcers. Never again waste hours looking for good stock photos. Never get sued for using copyrighted images. Get access to over 50 million royalty-free stock images, videos, 3D renders and photos that you can use for your projects. Low one-time price, launch period only. Free commercial license to sell. Use any resource for your own or client projects. Skyrocket your traffic, leads and sales with AI Graphics Factory, in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Enter a keyword or phrase, select from our 30+ different and unique styles and click Generate. Step 2. Our AI instantly creates amazing graphics and displays them. Select, edit, modify with our powerful inbuilt image editor. Step 3. Download or share directly to your blog, website, social media, anywhere you want and skyrocket your engagement, traffic and sales. If you purchase the product from the link in the description box, I am going to provide a free bonus. In order to get that bonus, you can contact me on my Instagram and send me a screenshot of your purchase and I will send you the bonus. See the kind of results one of our beta user is already getting. Real proof. We make commissions like these every day. You can do the same. If you haven't noticed, the graphics and design industry has been hugely disrupted. And if you don't adapt right now, you'll be wasting huge amount time, money and resources on outdated solutions. Are you still stuck in the 90s with Photoshop and other graphic design apps? Trying to figure out how to create the perfect graphics? Still wasting your time and energy finding that perfect stock image for your websites, ads, or social media campaigns? Spending thousands of dollars to hire a graphic designer and then waiting for days, weeks, or even months to get your creative. Getting copyright strikes and DMCA warnings because you used copyright images on your website, blog, or social media page. But I have good news for you today. The way you create graphics and design your sites, ads, and campaigns is about to change forever. And not just any graphics, but mind-blowing ones that will engage your audience, generate leads and drive sales. Have a look at some of the amazing graphics we generated with texts using AI in seconds. Here's some of the few ways you can use these images to skyrocket your traffic and sales. Create amazing visuals for your website, blog post, and social media campaigns. Design stunning product covers for digital downloads. Create unique logos from scratch or by customizing existing designs. Design eye-catching banners and ads for your campaigns. Create beautiful flyers to promote events or products. Design captivating videos and presentations. Create NFTs or digital art and monetize them. Create high-quality product mock-ups for your e-commerce store. Create stunning visuals for marketing materials like brochures, postcards, and booklets. Sell graphics as service or physical product. I can give you 100 more ways to use AI Graphics Factory, but the bottom line is that you can create virtually anything with it. AI Graphics Factory will do all of the following and more for you. Awesome features. 100% cloud-based software. Easy-to-use interface. Create and download unlimited text-to-image graphics with no limitation. Generate images in multiple design styles, including SDXL 1.0. Powerful inbuilt image editor to 10x your results. Easy to access campaigns and projects. One-click save to favorites and gallery. Access 50 million plus royalty-free stock resources with one keyword. Viral meme finder to attract social media attention. Share and download your graphics instantly. Why AI Graphics Factory? Here are the major benefits you'll get from AI Graphics Factory. Get the first mover advantage and dominate your market. Get professional quality results instantly. Unlimited access and downloads. No restrictions, personal and commercial rights included. Unlimited customizations. Save thousands, no paying high monthly fee to stock websites. Be safe, no violation of copyright laws. Save time and energy. Free updates in forever. 24x7 support and 100% uptime guaranteed. And you also have limited time fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1. Commercial license value $297. Fast action bonus number 2. Live web class training, value $297. Fast action bonus number 3. 4500 plus graphics pack, value $197. Fast action bonus number 4. 1000 premium fonts, value $97. Fast action bonus number 5. 3000 plus pro level logo templates, value $297. Fast action bonus number 6. 500 viral quote images, value $197. Fast action bonus number 7. Affiliate marketing templates, value $97. Fast action bonus number 8. 200 plus 4K UHD stock videos, value $97. Fast action bonus number 9. 700 plus motion background videos, value $97. Fast action bonus number 10. 5000 plus eye-popping vectors, value $197. The price of AI Graphics Factory is just $17 if you purchase it today. There is no risk. You are covered by 30-day money-back guarantee.